Ay, Dios. Dude, I don't even know. Okay. Cut. Oh, gosh. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido o bienvenida a este video. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Nate. I am a Spanish teacher and I am a gringo. And I learned Spanish 8 years ago in high school. And today I'm going to be doing Wordle in Spanish. Now, if you're not familiar with Wordle, Wordle is essentially an online word game that became very popular in the past year. That's on the New York Times website. And I'm going to go through and see if I can beat the game or not. Ok, pues vamos a ver si lo hago bien o no. Y sin más preámbulo, vamos a darle. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're just going to do any old random word in Spanish here. Okay. Let's think. Let's go for the verb. I want to use words that have a lot of vowels in them. Baile. That's a good one, I think. That has lots of vowels. Enviar. Okay, cool. Okay, so that means that B and A are both in this word, and then ILE are not. Okay, so let's try to think about this.
5 hours later.
Oh, snap! Alright, that was a complete guess. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, boy! Look at that. That was doing pretty good. Okay, so...
2,000 years later.
Amber, maybe? Maybe that might... You don't consider that a name, though. Oh, wait, no, because an E is not in it. Ambar, maybe? No. Ambar... I think it's I think it's AM. Okay, but it can't be a, right? Or an E. Or can there be repeats?
One eternity later.
How about we'll just try and see? Because I don't know if you can have letters repeat. Amba. Oh my gosh, I didn't think that you could have word or letters repeat. That was pretty good on number 3, Ambar. I mean, come on, that was pretty good. Let's see if we can play with the tilde. I think that would be interesting. But hey, you know what? I'm pretty proud of myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're doing tildes, and this has 7 options. Oh gosh, okay. So 7. This is gonna be extremely difficult.
1 hour later.
Comprar. Just a C. Okay, literally a C.
2 hours later.
No. That's whatever. This is dumb. We'll try.
3 hours later.
Enviaré. Okay, let's just try that. Okay, we've got an I. When you add literally 2 letters, it makes it extremely difficult. Oh my god, my leg's like falling asleep right now. Dude, this is so hard. What do I put? I'm honestly just gonna put I'm just gonna see if I can try to get letters. No. Okay. Okay, I'm actually gonna surprise that word. Could like this be a command or? I think it might be a B. Oh, débitos. Okay. No, that can't be it. Okay, so how many am I missing? Ay, Dios. Oh my god, I'm going insane, dude. Oh gosh, dude, I don't even know. Okay. What could it be?
4 to 6 weeks later.
Deficit. Okay, so I got it, but in the last one. Oh my gosh, my brain is fried. Ya no funciona mi cerebro. That was great though, honestly. Like, I'm actually kind of impressed with myself. Oh my gosh. Dude, my brain is fried. I had to think about my life for a second. Well, there you go. Now you know that a Spanish teacher who's not a native speaker can get Wordle done. And you know what? I'll say for the first one, I'm actually kind of surprised that I got it in only 3 tries. Honestly, I kind of got lucky with that second guess because it gave away a lot of the letters. But oh my gosh, that second one when it was 7 letters was extremely difficult. And when you add in all the tildes and all that, that made it much harder. But anyways, hey, if you're trying to learn Spanish and you're looking for a kind of fun challenge, definitely check out Wordle in Spanish. Bueno, espero que te haya gustado el video. Si es así, por favor, dale un like y también suscríbete ya para que veas más videos chidos así como este. Y también si quieres aprender el español conmigo, puedes en mi sitio web SpanishWithNate.com. Y espero que tengas muy buen día y estamos hablando. Adiós.